Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix cookies disabled in the browser. So if your cookies are disabled and you want to enable them, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first we just have to simply go to the settings of mobile phone, and after that we have to just scroll down and click on app management and go to the app list. Maybe your mobile have different options, but you just have to simply go to your apps and then go into Chrome. Once you get there, you have to click on storage and then clear its cache. Once the cache has been cleared, you just have to simply get back and open the Chrome. Once the Chrome gets open, click onto the three dots on the top right, and then from the options scroll down and click on settings. From the settings, now you just have to choose privacy and security and choose the first option, which is delete browsing data. And once you get there, you just have to simply select all of these things and then click on delete data. Once you tap on to delete data, the data will get deleted. Then you just have to simply get back. Now again you have to click onto the three lines and then scroll down and click on settings. Now this time from the settings, first we have to scroll down and search for site settings, or maybe settings site. This option is up here. You have to click onto it. Once you get into this option, here we have a lot of different options. So we just have to scroll down and search for the third party cookies. Once you get the option, click onto it, and then you have to just simply allow third party cookies. After that, the issue will be fixed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.